welcome to my channel. This is Prerna and today I'm here to share a very new video with you guys, and this video is very much useful for all of you out there. So let's get started. Actually, this video will be all about how should we get that fairer skin. In India, we all are tend to have that glowing and fairer skin, and as we all know, melanin is very much responsible for getting those that fairer skin. So in people whose melanin is less or little, those are having much fairer skin than that of the people who are having more amount of melanin in their body. So let's get started. This recipe will help you to less that melanin present into your body or your skin. So let's get started. For this you will be needing 2 bowls. Yes guys, this time you will be needing 2 bowls. So first of all, I have taken hot water in this bowl, and then second thing that you will be needing is this green tea. Yes guys, you can see this tea bag of green tea. This is available in the market, in the Cafe Coffee Day or somewhere else. You can get this green tea sachet. So what you will have to do is this: just take out this sachet and then just dip it into this hot water, and then dip this tea bag in this hot water for some 5 to 7 minutes, so that this water will take goodness of this green tea. As you know, green tea is very much good antioxidant. It is very much helpful to reduce those acne and wrinkles from your skin, so your skin will get fairer. So yes, let it into this water for 7 minutes, so that it will get those the green color. So yes guys, you can see that I have taken this green tea water. Yes, let me show you like this. I have taken this. Second thing you will be needing is this multani mitti. So then just take 1 spoon. Okay, and you can take 1 extra bowl and then just dip a certain amount of multani mitti, like 2 tablespoons of multani mitti you will be dipping in this extra bowl, empty bowl. So let me do it. As you can see that I have taken 2 or 3 tablespoons of multani mitti. According to your face, you can take this multani mitti, amount of the multani mitti, and then just take 1 spoon. Take 1 spoon and then just take your green tea solution that you have made, and then just dip certain certain amount of this green tea water into your multani mitti. Yes, so here I am doing it. I have poured 2, 3, 4 spoons of green water. As you can see, I have dipped 4 spoons of green tea water, and I am just stirring it well so that it will not have those lumps. So just stir it well and make this type of mixture. It is this type of mixture to run on your face, and then just let it sit for 2 minutes, so that that multani mitti will absorb all that water, green tea extracts from the water in it. So let it rest for 2 minutes. Yes guys, as you can see, I have just taken it out, and it has been taking 2 to 3 minutes. Now my mixture is all ready to run on my face. So then just you will have to take 1 cotton and then just apply it thoroughly onto your face. Yes, so here I am applying all the mixture. Wear your old shirt so that it will not stay. also apply it over your neck also. I'm not doing it right away, but you can surely do it. Some kind of aroma you can feel, and you can smell some kind of aroma that is coming out from that green tea. Yes guys, so just apply it onto your face. Yes guys, so I have just checked that all my face is covered with this solution. So let me sit for 20 minutes. You should also sit for 20 minutes with this face pack, and then after 20 minutes you should wash your face and then see your face glowing like just hell yes, yeah guys, your face will gonna glow like crazy. Yes guys, believe me that this recipe is so good to follow. So follow this recipe twice a week, so that you will get those that fairer skin, and you will be seeing in 10 to 12 days that your face is getting glower.